So here is another human clinical trial on NMN you should be aware of. Basically, in this investigation, they're looking at whether nicotinamide mononucleotide can improve arterial blood vessel health and reduce arterial stiffness. So it's a 3-month-long clinical trial. That's good, long enough to see some differences. It's a randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled trial. That's one of the best kinds out there. That's great. 36 middle healthy age people are in this study. They give them 250 milligrams of NMN or a placebo each day. And here's what they find. Pulse wave velocity, which is an indicator of how stiff the blood vessels are, tended to decrease in the NMN group. Tended is spin. Tended means it didn't work any better than a placebo. It was not significantly better. They actually say that in the very next sentence. However, no significant differences were found between the two groups. This study, in my view, adds to the growing list of evidence in humans that NMN is a dud and does not appear to live up to the hype. What do you think of all this? Leave a comment below, and until next time, take care out there.